Hey everybody, it's me Jason again. Just wanted to talk to you about your energy wands. If you are a crystal worker like I am, you use crystals for energy and things like that. Now this is my quartz crystal. This is actually my energy sword. What I mean by energy sword is that whenever I use it, and I shoot a laser up into the heavens, okay? Or I shoot this out into space, okay? It shows a point on the globe where I am at. I am telling all my higher selves out in the farthest reaches of the universe, the cosmos, to aid me in my spiritual development. And what it does is shoots this energy up, straight up, and it shoots straight up like a blade of grass. Now, I am trying to be one with this blade of grass because I understand that we are a microcosm of the entire cosmos. Now, whenever I charge it, I go around like this, just like Ryan teaches to open and close portals. What I'm doing here is I'm moving in a clockwise position, and I'm keeping it up clockwise. I'm forming a portal, a red energy ring. Now, when I'm done doing this, I can stop. The faster I do it, the farther the point will reach. The slower I do it, the smaller the sword will get. Now, here I showed a graph right here, how this is done. Now, you see here, back. Here we go. That looks good. Now see right here, the blue aura is the natural color of the crystal. A quartz crystal generates a blue field on its own. That's the neutralizing field for whenever negative energy is attracted to it and then converted back out into positivity. It would kind of go in like this. It would kind of go in like this. You get some negative ones. Right? You got negative ones going in. See, you got little negative lines going in. And then when they come out, they go inside and then they come out. And usually it comes out with more positive energy than it took to make it negative, so it shoots out. It kind of propels it out, kind of like an accelerator. It goes in and then it shoots these positive ones out there, and usually it'll shoot out more positive than negative. Now this is the portal, the red ring right here is the portal that I opened to make my sword, okay? Depending on how fast I do it, will make the sword longer. Now the slower I do it, and usually I'll do one for every foot. So I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foot sword. Or I can wind it back down and go 3 foot sword, 2 foot sword, a dagger, or 1 foot dagger. So, you know what I mean. Yeah, I know what I mean when I say things like this. I'm continually upgrading. I'm always upgrading. So, I would usually come out here. I'm usually outside when I do this in the sun because the sun, crystals love the sun. And I try to take my crystals whenever I can. I've only got a few I have, but so I'll stand right here. And I'll do my my 4 corners meditation where I say 1. So I'll go 1, right? And then I'll say 1, 1, 1. And then I take whatever my hand I'm right-handed and I'm left-handed. Try to be ambidextrous with everything, so it confuses other people. So I'll use my right hand, and what I do is whenever I'm back up here, after I'm done doing my last one meditation, I start to circulate. 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot. Now I have a 4-foot sword. A 4-foot energy sword. So what I do is I put it in my hand, and then I practice. Boom. Boom. And I learned this in weapons class. I used to take Taekwondo. And what I'm doing is I'm purifying negative energy that's in my way. Purify. Purify. I'm slashing my way through reality to get where I need to go. See how my camera hasn't focused yet? It's because it doesn't know me. Afraid. Now it's refocusing. Alright. But anyways, this is my video. It's just a small video about how to make your crystal wand into a sword. Basically an energy sword. At least until you get one, a real one for yourself, where you can, if you buy a katana offline, it'd probably be easier to do that, but a crystal's much cheaper. This one I only paid 20 bucks for this crystal. But you can get a sword if you want to practice with the sword, and you can use that as an energy sword. Take a quartz crystal and wrap it around the handle, or take the tip of it, take the tip of the crystal, buy a small one like that size, like this size, and you take it and you put it on the end cap of the sword. So whenever you have it on the end cap, it shoots the energy backwards too, and it'll charge your sword up as well, because it'll act as a double terminating crystal. Yes, metal is also a crystal. All the elements, all the compounds that are made from the table of elements are all crystals. They are always crystal there are always crystal formations. It's just the way that they are put together that makes them seem opaque or dark or light. It doesn't matter. Anyways, it's my video. So remember now, don't be mean, play nice.